If you struggle with wobbly edges, today I'm going to show you the ultimate tricks for getting perfectly straight edges in single, half double, and double crochet. Let's start with the single crochet trick. I've chained 8 for this demo. Go ahead and single crochet until the end of your 3rd row. Here is the tip. Usually we do a single crochet on the last stitch, but do not do that here. Instead, turn the piece sideways. You can see a V stitch running along the side. Insert your hook and crochet your single crochet right here. If you crochet tightly like me, it might be a little hard to hook in, but you can do it. Now, chain 1 and keep single crocheting as usual. You only need to do this V stitch trick at the very end of each row. Let's see it one more time. Don't crochet at the last stitch, simply find the V hook on the side and work your stitch there for a perfectly flat edge. Next up is the half double crochet trick. Chain 1 to begin the row. To avoid those ugly gaps from turning chains, we are going to do a standard single crochet first. Then, look closely at that stitch and find the left hook of the V. Hook into that left leg and do another single crochet right on top of it. This builds the perfect height. Now, just half double crochet for the rest of the stitches in your row. When you reach the end of the row, we are going to use the exact same trick we used earlier. Don't crochet into the final top stitch. Find the V stitch on the side and work your final half double crochet there. Finally, let's do the double crochet straight edge. The start is exactly the same as doing the half double crochet trick. Chain 1 to begin your 1st row. Do a single crochet on the previous stitch. Then find the left hook stitch and make another single crochet. Now you have a sturdy gap-free starting stitch, and you can keep doing your double crochets across the row. And you guessed it, at the end of the row, use that same side V-stitch trick to lock in a perfectly crisp corner. Check out more videos on my channel for beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting!